Hello friends. I was asked to show how I sew arms onto a quilt coat. So that's what this video is going to be about. So here is an arm cut out, and you'll notice that one side is flat and then the other side is curved. So what you're going to want to do, the fabric is face to face, and I'm just going to place the jacket so it is along the curve, and I'm gonna pin it, and you'll see when I pin it I kind of like follow the curve. Remember, it's always face to face, right side to right side, and then we'll sew that, and then I'll do the other side. So here's what one arm looks like pinned on, and you notice since this is a curve, it kind of bunches up a little, but we just sort of follow the curve. And a note about the ends, do not worry about perfection at the ends. It all works out later. Here we can kind of see what this one is starting to look like. Very wearable colors. It's a nice drop sleeve on this pattern too. It's kind of hard to tell with this patchwork, but this is how it's shaping up. So this is face up, and you can see this is the back of the quilt coat, the two front pieces. We've got one arm hanging down there and one arm hanging down there. So what I'm going to do is kind of close the coat up and line up the sides. So now I'm going to sew the arm so that it's more like a jacket. It's when you clip the arms. So again, this is the right side, so it's right side to right side. And I always want to line up the bottom with a clip, and then I want to line up good at the pit with a clip and at the end. Sometimes I sew these pockets on before I sew the jacket together, sometimes after. This time will be after because that's what's happening. And so that, you know, I've clipped these on, and this is right side facing up, and this is right side facing up because these are the pockets that we're basically going to sew around here. And you'll notice I have clips on this side. This side is pinned. Looks like there's some writing on that, maybe by the maker of this. This is an upcycle, so we're going to sew these on. The pockets are sewn on, and now we have the collar to do. The collar is sewn on. Get a look at it. So the next thing I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna sew down these seams just so they're kind of like flush against here, and I'm gonna top stitch the collar so it folds down better, and then I like stitching at the very bottom to finish the coat. But this one's looking really cute. They all turn out differently depending on the fabric, so this is a very cozy one.